In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a waitlist form for your upcoming products or events and why you should have one in place. Whether you're launching a new product, holding an event, or just want to collect interest, a waitlist form is a great way to capture leads. Stick around till the end because I'll also show you a super easy tool you can use to get this done in minutes. Plus, I'll share a special free trial that you can use to follow along. First, let's talk about why you need a waitlist form. Building anticipation around a product or event can boost excitement and convert visitors into actual customers. A waitlist form allows you to manage this process seamlessly by collecting interested people's information and keeping them engaged until your product or event launches. But you need the right tools to make it happen without a ton of complexity. Now, let's get into the actual steps. Start by choosing the right software. You don't want to waste time trying to figure out complicated systems. For this, we'll be using a user-friendly software that makes creating waitlist forms fast and easy. Don't worry, I've tried a bunch of tools out there, and this is the one that's simple but powerful. I'll link to a free trial in the description below so you can follow along. Once you've got your software ready, it's time to create the form. Start with the basics: name, email address, and maybe phone number if necessary. But don't overdo it. The simpler the form, the higher your conversion rate will be. People don't want to fill out a long form. They just want to get on the list quickly. Next, customize the form with your branding. Add your logo, change the colors to match your product or event theme, and make sure the text clearly explains what the form is for. This step is crucial because it ensures that your waitlist form looks professional and aligned with your business or event identity. Now, let's talk about the call to action. You want to make sure the text on the form motivates visitors to join the waitlist. Instead of just saying join now, try something like get early access or reserve your spot. A compelling CTA helps create a sense of urgency and exclusivity, which encourages people to sign up. After that, integrate your waitlist form with an email marketing tool or CRM. This will help you automatically send follow-up emails to those who join the waitlist, so you can keep them engaged with updates leading up to the launch. This is an essential part of building that relationship and converting signups into sales or attendees. Once the form is ready and integrated, make sure to embed it on your website or landing page. You can also share it on social media or in your email signature to drive more traffic to it. Finally, track your results. Most waitlist form tools provide analytics, so you can see how many people have signed up and where they're coming from. This data is gold because it helps you optimize your marketing efforts and understand what's working. Now let me leave you with the key takeaway. When building a waitlist form, keep it simple, branded, and make sure it integrates with your email or CRM system to stay engaged with your list. If you take the time to follow these steps, you'll build anticipation and capture leads effectively. Don't forget, if you want to follow along with the exact software I used today, check out the exclusive free trial in the description below. You'll be able to set up your waitlist form in no time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.